10,000 or 40,000 or 100,000. You think that you have money, but you are nothing in the market. Facebook, in one day, you can find 50 million shares traded. It means like $2 billion, $3 billion, $5 billion a day. It's, traded. It's just in one stock. Well, what about your $10,000 or $50,000? And you say conspiracy. Who cares about your money? Okay? So don't make hallucinations. Don't go rant against the market, because the market is just you and me and the other people, either big or small. This is the market. Each one plays his play. I buy, you sell, and then the stock goes up. I make money, you lose money. Okay? So in short, each year or two you will find this, what we call an industry rotation. Okay? In the industry rotation, this is where I explain in my training level how to make money in the market. I explain how you make money. Okay, there are things that you should be aware of in order to make money. It's not just because when you buy a stock, you can make money or you can lose money. In each stock, you do. In each trade, in each transaction. But making money has to do with other things. These things you should know and understand. That's why I make a training called How to Make Money in the Market. Okay? Now, if you take everything as simple, you simplify things, you will see the whole picture of the market. Now, when you see the whole picture of the market, you begin to screen the market, okay, with a stock screener or using an industry index. You begin to see things. And when you see things, you can make a decision to buy the leaders in each industry, and you can make money. Without this, you begin just gambling. Buy here, sell there, buy here, sell there, and you go everywhere, and each one tells you do this to make money, do this to make money, and then at the end you will not make money, because most of the people who are online, they don't teach you how to see simple things in the market. It's just the price. Okay? And these things are called skills, trading skills. You should learn them. They are not given to you for free. You should work by yourself and stay years, hit and miss, and you spend money, and then you begin to discover this. Or you get a training and you understand the whole picture, and then you can have a basic thing in your trading, and then you can ameliorate this through the years. Okay? So why the energy sector goes down? It's just because people sell off. Other people help them by shorting the stock each day for the whole year. Okay? It's just a matter of a game. Now, why they have begun to hit the market in one day? A lot of mutual funds, maybe there is one big one begin and the other they follow, because they have rules. You understand that mutual funds, they have rules to follow. Okay? If you want to understand more about the market, you should understand that the price moves because of the big guys. We as the public, we help them. Okay? But if you hold a loser, any stock, you hold it and you don't exit, they crush you, because these guys have billions of dollars and millions of shares to sell. You have 100 shares, 200 shares, 1,000, 10,000 shares. It's nothing. They crush you. and then you begin to wait until the stock goes up again. But it will not, even if it goes up 1 day or two, because the short sellers, they cover their short. It means they buy again, but they will short again next few days, since they see that there is a sell-off continues. Now, I have explained to you before the small correction that happens in 24th of August. This is the last day. After that, I make videos and I explain that there will be a move in the market, a move up. Now, this move up, the only or the most stocks that doesn't follow this move are energy stocks. Now you tell me why? Why all the market goes up again, and that sector with its industries, they go down? It's because it's a plan. This thing is planned from last year. They want to hit this sector to the bottom, and they carry out the plan. And a lot of investors, a lot of mutual funds, they begin to sell because they see that it's dangerous. It's dangerous. You are losing 5% of your money, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 30%, then 50%. Okay, man, you lose all your money. And who tells you that in next year or the other year, this energy stocks will go up? It could take many years until they buy it again. Okay? So you are not an investor. If you are an investor, it's your choice. It's your commitment that you do. But mutual funds, they invest, but they care about the risk. That's why a stock or an industry that hurts them, they sell it. With all the stocks, they don't care. Okay? Because if they don't sell, a lot of mutual funds sell, and they get hurt with the big losses in some industries. That's why, as I explaining why things happen, if in the future you change your mindset, you change the way to look at the market, that there is only supply and demand, there is the price going up or down, some people are buying or some people are selling off. Okay? Some industries are going down, some industries are going up. Now your job is to find things, industries and stocks that are going up. Now how do you find them? By using stock screener. And my training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener, or level 3, how to search for stocks using industries, okay, helps you understand the thing. Or you can just go for my membership subscription, and each week, each Friday, I'm doing one search, and I put a lot of videos explaining where is the money, which industries. It's very easy. You will see me searching, showing you where this money is going and who is. We don't care who is buying. Is mutual funds or big traders? I don't care. What I care about is stocks going up. I can make money. Okay? A lot of people, they have subscribed, and it's just to have a practice, a training practice to understand the market without fundamentals. You forget about companies, what they do, and this company is famous, this company is not famous, this company is big or small, this company. What are you looking for? Are you looking for money, or are you looking for to see famous companies to own? Oh, you speak to your friend. Oh, I own Coca-Cola. Ah, yes, Coca-Cola. Okay. In 17 years, this Coca-Cola the price doesn't change. Okay? So, you are buying a famous company, and this company doesn't go up, doesn't go down, it stays the same. Oh, I am like Warren Buffett. You know, Warren Buffett bought Coca-Cola, and he bought what's the other companies that he bought? Insurance companies like Geico. He bought it, so I own it. Okay, I own it. I will be like him, but understand that this guy Warren Buffett, he bought these companies in the 50s, 60s, 70s, when we have a big move of the market. If you see how the market moves in the 60s and 70s and 80s, you will never imagine how the market move. Okay? It's just because he came in a time when there is a big market move. Any stock that you buy, it will go up for many years, for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and you become millionaire. Any stock. Most of the stocks, I don't say any, but most of the stocks. Now, this Warren Buffett have bought them long time ago, in the 50s, when he was young, this guy. But at that time, he bought parts of the companies. He didn't buy 100 shares like you, or 200 shares, or 500, or 1,000 shares. He bought millions of shares. He bought 10%, 20% of a company. Understand that. Stop this naive thinking that you can do like Warren Buffett, or you can do like that guy, like that guy. Okay? The situation is not the same. Okay? It's not the same at all. Someone who bought in the 50s and the 60s and the 70s last century, it is not like you when you buy in 2016. It is not the same. Okay? So he makes money because he bought on the right time, and he has money, and there is a big move. 3 things. Now, these 3 things you don't have. You don't buy on right time, you don't have money, you don't have millions of dollars to buy parts of the companies, and you didn't buy in the 50s and 60s and 70s of last century. Okay? You don't. So why are you following people who have not the same thing as you do now? It's just because you want to show off to your friends. Oh, I own Geico, and I own Coca-Cola. I own this and that, and I'm like Warren Buffett. I'm making money, and but you see his account. He does not make money at any time. He just wastes his time. He wants to be his name linked to a rich or a wealthy person. But this doesn't help you. Okay? Why you lie to yourself? Okay? If you want to learn, you should take steps to learn, either in investing or into trading. You should try to understand the game. That's it. Here, when I speak about investing, is the same thing. It's commitment. Okay? Commitment. It means you choose one company, or 2 or 3 or 4. You just study if this company will have a future, and just you buy, just you leave. This is what we call investing. But mutual funds are doing like half, doing swing trading with investing. They stay 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and they sell. They rotate. It means they change the stocks. It means a mutual fund. Let's say a mutual fund has 20 stocks. You can see them online. If you go to a mutual fund name, you go to the stocks that he owns is public. You go and you see them. But he will change some stocks. He will never tell you when he sold the stock, and then the picture changed. They say, oh, last 2 months we have get rid of a company because we think that this company is not what we are looking for, and